we just arrived here in the Philippines' newest and largest telco-neutral data center facility. My name is Paul, and with me is Ace and KJ running the video. Join us as we take a quick look here in B Infotech PH, the Hive Data Center. Tara! This massive facility is designed with global standards and latest technologies.
Speaking of standards, this building is certified and being geared with the country's first and only Uptime Institute Tier 3 data center facility, as well as ISO, LEED, and PCI DSS certification.
This facility can collocate thousands of racks along with provisions for security and network operations center, disaster recovery seats, telco facilities, cloud infra, and other IoT infrastructure.
And that is why, to me, this being termed a data center is an understatement. Not only does it host the data, but it also hosts the connectivity and other IT solutions that the country may need.
That's right, Ace. B Infotech PH ideal location allows for most critical compute and network infrastructure to be within reach, especially now that data speed and availability are a major concern. All major telcos are just a peer away.
You heard Paul right. B Infotech PH neutrality paves the way for all telcos to host and meet in one roof. B Infotech PH is competitor to none. It is a partner for all. To telcos and ISPs, SIs and enterprises, this is your data center. You are all welcome.
And with this business model in mind, design-wise, the tech team is making sure that the facility is compliant to any specification.
The B Infotech PH Data Center is designed using an open design concept. This means that you, partner, can utilize any specifications or settings that you have, and we can and will be able to implement those. I'm sure you have a lot of questions about how to best maximize this data center facility. The good news is, this channel and along with other content that put out, we release regular videos and other content which we think are relevant to you. So please stay tuned.
If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach us through the contact details as shown in your screen, and to receive regular updates and notifications, please don't forget to subscribe to our channels. Until then, this is Paul and Ace, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!